Hey everyone, let me show you how easy it is to install this tonneau cover. One person can probably do it in 20 minutes and it comes with everything you need. Let me go ahead and get ready and show you everything that it comes with. As you can see here, this is everything that comes in the box. It comes with the directions, comes with all the parts and pieces that you need, and they are the cover, weather stripping, the bolts, clamps, knobs, and a little light. Now, the first thing you want to do when you're installing them is you will need the bolts. You want to slip them in all the way to where they're grabbing. But make sure that they don't go all the way through. That way it's not poking the vinyl on the other side and rubs a hole in it. So you can see I put them in there, getting it ready. Now you can put the clamps and the knobs on at this time, so that way when you flip it over and as soon as you crawl underneath it, they're already there ready to clamp. That way all you got to do is just line it up, start twisting. I went ahead and did it this way, wasn't thinking at the same time, but this is how I did it here. It's a little harder because I got only one hand to deal with because I'm holding the camera with the other hand, but it's just as easy. Sit there, simply slip it on, get it threaded a little bit, and start twisting it on. Make sure you line it up. I try to keep mine spaced as far as part, that way it gives it more coverage area of tightening. And then once you get it on there, start clamping it down, reel it down and tighten it. You should be good to go. There you go. See, to simply get it screwed it on. Get it going nice and tight. And then once that one's good, start working on the other one. Get that one going. Now jump to the next one. Go ahead and get that one going. Get the spacers and everything on there. Start twisting that one on. Like I said, you can actually, before you actually put it on the bed and everything, when you're putting everything, assembling everything, you can actually put these on there and do it the other way around. I wasn't thinking at the time, so I did it this way. But it's so easy. I did it by myself in the garage, no tools required. And the best thing I love about this tonneau cover, there is no drilling required, none. And that's what I was looking for when I purchased this, was a tonneau cover where I didn't have to drill or cut or make any modifications to my truck. And this one fit that needs, and the pricing is great. As you see here, I'm checking to make sure that the bolts are not sticking out past that. Otherwise I don't want it to rub the vinyl and put a hole in it. After that, once you get both sides done, it's simply clamping the back part down. As you can see, you slide that out of the way, the clamp falls down, you adjust it, simply twist it to go up or down, to give you the reach that you need, to give it the clamping. Okay, here I am trying it out a little bit. You just got to get it perfect. You don't want it too tight to where it's, putting a lot of strain on there, but you don't want it too loose to where it's flapping in the wind or anything when you're driving down the road. So I'm trying it here, giving it another try. A little too much. As you can see, I also moved it forward a little bit, which gave me a lot more room, so I had to readjust it. But then once you clamp it down right there, it's good. It's not going to go anywhere. Check it, make sure it's nice. It looks good. At this point, once you get both sides done, that's it. It's simple, done, installed. Without recording or anything, it probably would have took me less than 20 minutes. I opted not to put the weather stripping on at this time because I wanted to make sure I wash it and clean the plastic real good before you try to stick it on there. That way it gives it better adhesive to my plastics. So next time I go ahead and wash it, that's when I'll do it. As you can see here, this is from a dash cam on a truck. No vibrations, no noise, no flapping. When I'm driving down the road and I'm doing 70 miles per hour, 75, so it's great. It helps out a lot. I know it's going to work good. It looks nice. Price is great. I highly recommend one. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to let me know. And there you go. This is the tonneau cover. Vehicle is a 2018 GMC Sierra 1500.